Welcome to the Introduction to Computer Science course. I'll be your instructor for this course. I'm currently a student in the information technology field and have a passion for computer science. In this course, we'll be exploring the exciting and rapidly evolving field of computer science. The purpose of this course is to provide an overview of the fundamental concepts and techniques used in computer science. Why to learn computer science? Computer science plays a vital role in modern society. It shapes the way we live, work, and communicate. It's a dynamic and rapidly evolving field with a wide range of applications, from business and finance to healthcare and entertainment. By learning the fundamentals of computer science, you'll be well equipped to pursue a variety of career paths and make valuable contributions to society. Course prerequisites and requirements. Prerequisites: basic knowledge of math, familiarity with computer use and basic skills. Requirements: internet access, textbook, if required, programming software, if required, attendance and participation in class activities and assignments. What we will cover. Throughout this course, we'll be covering a variety of topics. We'll start by looking at programming fundamentals, including programming languages, basic concepts, data types, control statements, functions, and modules. We'll then move on to data structures and algorithms, where we'll explore arrays, lists, stacks, queues, trees, and graphs, as well as sorting and searching algorithms and recursion. We'll then delve into computer organization and architecture, where we'll look at digital logic and gates, binary and hexadecimal numbers, memory organization, CPU and instruction set architecture, and input/output and interrupts. After that, we'll explore operating systems and networks, where we'll cover processes and threads, memory management, file systems, networking and the internet, protocols, and standards. Next, we'll examine software engineering, where we'll cover the software development life cycle, agile methodologies, software testing and debugging, object-oriented programming, design patterns, and software development tools. We'll then dive into artificial intelligence and machine learning, where we'll look at search algorithms and game playing, machine learning algorithms, neural networks, and natural language processing. Finally, we'll wrap up the course by looking at the ethics and social implications of computing, where we'll explore privacy and security, intellectual property, cyberbullying and cyberstalking, the digital divide, bias in AI and machine learning, and ethics in computer science. We hope that this course will provide you with a solid foundation in computer science and inspire you to pursue further learning and exploration in the field. We encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tech-related content. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to learning with you.